The new 2019 BMW X5 brags every one of the qualities of BMW while tending to the active model's weaknesses. With somewhat bigger outside measurements, a more profound grille and another inside model, this BMW is unquestionably worth a look, and more face-to-face and on the roadways, this vehicle is certain to inspire. The new 2019 BMW X5 highlights an entire scope of new innovations. They incorporate another discretionary rough-terrain bundle that includes an updated air suspension setup at the two axles and another back-locking differential. This is ideal for those drivers who need to investigate a few ways less voyaged. The fourth-age 2019 BMW X5 is going to go marked down, riding an influx of fair-size extravagance SUV notoriety amid prosperous financial occasions. The overhauled 2019 BMW X5 will come in xDrive 40i and xDrive 50i flavors. Each will include standard X-Line plan components to pass on a roughly upscale appearance.